Well, according to reports, we are expecting shortly the arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to his home state of Gujarat, in particular in Ahmedabad. He is likely to also visit the crash site near the airport in Ahmedabad, where this tragedy occurred yesterday afternoon. Shivani, we are told that as far as on ground, there are already deployment of huge number of security officials as well, as they are expecting the arrival of the Prime Minister.
Well, indeed, the movement has begun here already. The senior cops, senior officials are visiting the hospital, and in fact, all the gates, the security has been tightened. Here, Mrityunjay will take you through the visuals behind me as you see that, huge number of deployment has taken place. In fact, every entry point and exit point of this particular hospital has been under the eyes of security. Monitoring is taking place constantly, but where we are reporting right now is a very place where the injured are being kept. Their treatment is going on. In fact, there are many, those are very critical in state. Multiple have been shifted to ICUs as well. And here there are two buildings of this particular civil hospital that is treating the patient at the moment of time. And henceforth, we are also being told that once PM visits the spot at the airport, after that, he will also be visiting this hospital, will be meeting the injured and their families, assuring them all possible help and best of the treatment. But as of yet, Amita, we also have to look upon that now when Prime Minister visits this spot, he will also be needing a briefing with regards to primary report, primary investigation report. Those have occurred, whether in many aspects, it is being interrogated whether it was a human error or a technical error that took place, a technical glitch took place. And also, we must need to see that before any plane takes off, even after having a halt, there is always a technical, check that has been done of all the equipments, of all the gadgets inside. Whether that was done, whether it was not done, it is something that is being checked upon. But yes, here,
that would be the course of investigation that would actually lay bare when it comes to the real reason exactly why this tragedy happened. The black box that has also been recovered, and it would take some time for the data from that black box to be retrieved. What happened seconds after the takeoff of the plane, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to arrive in Ahmedabad shortly. The question on everybody's mind is exactly what went wrong that the plane crashed in just few seconds of takeoff. Well, now a formal investigation has already begun by the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau. Additionally, the government is also constituting a high-level committee comprising experts from multiple disciplines to examine the matter in detail. The committee will also strengthen aviation safety and will prevent such incidents in future. Meanwhile,